Zoom, इसको देखो. Zoom, इसको देखो. Welcome back to Maximum Style Diva. Fashion with a Cause had the latest style mantra, and Narendra Kumar definitely proved a point with his fantastic collection. He blended education with style, और उनकी collection का theme था freedom from illiteracy. उनकी collection में 70s से inspired silhouettes थे, जैसे कि high-waisted trousers, trapeze blouses, minis and kaftans. Take a look.
Contemporary, modern and well-tailored. नरेंद्र कुमार का स्टाइल हमेशा ही simple, elegant और well-structured रहा है. This time in Lakme Fashion Week, Narendra Kumar had a collection with a message. Narendra Kumar की collection का नाम था Freedom from Illiteracy. This was very clear from the first body which came on the ramp. There were Hindi alphabets all over the silver mini dress, which was quite interesting and got the message through. Collection में काफी कलर्स देखे गए जैसे कि येलो, पिंक, ग्रीन, ecru with touches of 70s styling.
बहुत कलर्स थे, वो बहुत अच्छे लगे मुझे. और जो शुरू में वाइट के उन्होंने यूज किया था लिनन में, बहुत एक ड्रेस येलो पहनी थी किसी ने with a lot of embroidery on it. Not embroidery, embosses on it, like circle embosses. I don't know who the model was. It looked fantastic.
नरेंद्र ने इस्तेमाल किया ऑर्गेन्जा, जॉर्जेट, कॉटन एंड लिनन का, which was quite interesting. There were high-waist trousers which are making a big comeback with trapeze shapes of blouses and fun kaftans and trendy short mini skirts with tunics. As a showstopper, we saw Bipasha Basu walking on the ramp in a sun yellow dress, which was a little crafty and over the top for a designer like Narendra.
नारी एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन डिज़ाइनर है और हमेशा से बहुत बेहतरीन कपड़े बनाते आए हैं, इक्वली फॉर मैन एंड वीमेन. मुझे उनका कॉन्सेप्ट जो है इस शो का वो अच्छा लगा. इट्स फ्रीडम फ्रॉम इलिटरेसी. So he has a concept which I think in his own words he can explain it better than me. But that's what caught my attention, and I have actually started modeling under Nari's guidance years back. He used to style me for shoots, and he's come a long way. And it's my honor that I got to walk the showstopper for his show.
This ex-faculty member of NIFT was back into his teaching mode.
It's great to see our designers creating an awareness through their designs. Wendell Rodrigues है truly a gifted designer. वो जाने जाते हैं अपने free flowing designs और innovative construction के लिए. उनकी इस बार की collection truly reflects the beauty and serenity of Goa. Take a look.
Lakme Fashion Week में Wendell की collection का नाम था Goa Spa. And truly you can see the feel that he was trying to get onto the ramp, from the makeup, the hair, the footwear of the models to the clothes. He's one designer who reminds me of Goa beaches, reminds me of very soft fabric flows, reminds me of very easy, comfortable clothing, reminds me of no fuss, and in the middle of it all, he gives you some excellent design element. Over the years, Wendell Rodrigues का एक अपना ही style है, which we all know. I mean, there are fabrics which are always flowing, there are loose shapes, there are asymmetrical cuts, you will see innovative construction, fine detailing, comfort, the principle of all. Wendell हमेशा ही बहुत ही soft and friendly fabrics का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जैसे कि linen, super soft cottons, organzas, satin, chiffons. It's interesting to see Wendell's outfits cut in all geometric shapes and falling perfectly over the models' bodies.
I love his cuts, I love his style, he does a lot of whites, that's my favorite, and just Wendell, I mean, he's just great.
Wendell is not only one of the most senior designers that we have, but also one of the coolest ones. On the whole, Goa Spa was very cool and very Wendell.
अब वक्त है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, but before I go, here's a trend update. Bright, bejeweled sunglasses are quite in vogue. The future never looked so bright. I'll see you in a bit.